Okay, this is Sunday. I guess it's around 7:45 p.m. This is May 2nd, 2021. And I cooked today with Tealight candles. I cooked some tomatoes with some sugar and salt on them, and also noodles and potatoes in the pan. All right, so that should be my dinner for tonight. And the 6 Tealight candles brought it to a boil again. That was great. Okay, here's my, there you go. It's my 6 Tealight candles in a big frying pan. All right. I'm looking forward to this because I haven't had tomatoes in a while. Just whole tomatoes with salt and sugar on them. Okay. There you go. You see it's starting to boil up there. Just with those 6 Tealight candles. Nice. Okay, so there's elbow macaroni and some potatoes in there. And I can't wait. All right. Okay. Doing a good job boiling now. All right. Just off those 6 Tealight candles. Great. Okay, there's the finished product. Elbow macaronis, whole tomatoes cooked in sugar and salt. All right, and potato. All right. You salt this up. Okay. There we go. I think I want to taste the tomato for sure. Okay. All right. Okay, now to taste the finished product. All right. The lighting on the front-facing camera, it doesn't have a light on the iPhone. That's why it gets a little bit darker. So I'm just using a flashlight off to the side to give me some extra light. And I got a candle going too. All right. So, but here we go. All right. Smells delicious. I love the smell of cooked tomatoes, whole tomatoes. Pretty good. You saw how much salt I put on this, right? I still need more salt, I think. Tomato. That tomato's delicious. Hot, a little sweet because I put sugar on it, but salty too, Very good. I'm really going to enjoy this meal. It's been a long time since I cooked up tomatoes like this. Okay. Have a little potato too. Okay. All right. See the potato? All right. Good. So potato, a little macaronis, and tomatoes. All in one little saucepan. And boiled up with 6 Tealight candles. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go back to this. Just explain this real quick. I had the 6 Tealight candles. Now they're going out because this is like finishing up. But it's also there's the two cat food cans. There's one over there, and then there's one here. But I really support the saucepan on the handle on the one side. Okay, so the one side of the pan will go on that cat food can above the Tealights. Okay, and then I will just put the handle on the big frying pan right there, so it's actually not even on the other can there. And then it's like, it's right above the Tealights. All right. Okay, everybody. Take care. Have a good night. Wait a second. Where's the lobster? Hey, I said we were going to have lobster this week. I can't put that on the budget right now, you know. Maybe some other time, okay? Darn. All right. Okay, everybody. Take care. I'll see you later. Bye. Baby, maybe next week we'll have lobster. Take care. Bye.